Welcome back, everybody. Out here on the back porch, it's only 10 degrees and we have plenty of snow. Breakfast! A lot of people think about breakfast when they think about Blackstone Griddles, and I love breakfast. We do it all. We do crepes, French toast, pancakes, but one of my favorite things to make is a big old, huge, full country breakfast. Breakfast on the Blackstone. First things first, let's take care of potatoes. As you can see, I have some potatoes, green bell pepper, and onion. Now, when it comes to potatoes, you can do hash browns. I think of hash browns as like, you know, the thinly sliced little strands of potatoes. You can do fried potatoes. What I'm gonna do today is similar to a home fry, what a restaurant would call a home fry, or if you buy those bags of frozen potatoes in the store, they call it Potatoes O'Brien. And basically, it's gonna be diced potatoes, followed by a green bell pepper, and I have a yellow onion here. This could certainly be a white onion or a red onion. Blackstone 28-inch Pro Series on high heat, and my old friend, the extra virgin olive oil here, and we're gonna go straight down with my little home fry mixture. Get the snow off my spatulas. My new favorite Blackstone seasoning, the Essential Blend, garlic, pepper, onion, salt. My goodness, my current favorite, absolute current favorite Blackstone seasoning. I discovered beef bacon last summer. I never even knew it was a thing, and I just found a new brand of it at Sam's, Godshall's, which I love. I love their turkey bacon. Folks, if you're gonna get turkey bacon, hands down, Godshall's, the #1 brand of turkey bacon. This is my first time ever trying the Godshall's Angus steak uncured beef bacon. Next, we have some Colorado elk sausage. We process our own elk meat. We freeze these in little 1 to 2 pound tubes. All right, got the sausage sliced, so let's check out the bacon. Perfect, look at that. Just a little bit of color. I don't want to burn these. I'll gladly turn these several times if I have to. Oh yeah, looking good. And then down with those Colorado elk sausage patties. Oh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. As you can see, that bacon is looking perfect. Okay, so I would suggest grabbing a cast iron skillet or maybe something like the Blackstone warming rack. Look at this. We can just lay that bacon on there. It's gonna stay nice and hot, right? Bacon is looking good. Let's check out these sausage patties here. In for the flip right there. Look at that, nice sear on those Colorado sausage patties. Oh yeah, perfect. Looking good. I think the bacon is all just about perfect, so we're gonna get this out of the way, make room for more food on my griddle top. Sourdough bread. We found this at Sam's Club last month. It is Inked Organic. This is the sourdough bread of your dreams, friends. Just gonna put a little bit of butter on the bread, so when it's time to throw the toast down, we're gonna be ready to go. Sausage patties are looking delicious, so I'm gonna stack these over here beside our home fries, which, by the way, look at that. They look amazing. They look so amazing. A little bit of oil, and I'll grab some of my Blackstone egg rings. Grab your Blackstone non-stick cooking spray or some Crisco butter spray, whatever you want. Spray the inside of those rings. And then we're gonna hit that up with my Blackstone Essential Blend again. Absolutely love, love, love this stuff. Two out of 5 ain't bad, right? I'm actually gonna pick these eggs up here. The ones that look perfect, I'm gonna put those up on top for now on my warming rack. These messier ones will kind of tuck over there to the side, and we'll grab that sourdough bread that we're gonna make into toast. We'll actually make these an over easy. An over broken, I'm not sure what you'd call that. Let's check out our sourdough bread there. Nice, just a little bit of color. I don't wanna burn it. Oh yeah, that's looking real nice. So we'll try to get a toast on both sides here. Let's plate it up. Here we go. In with those delicious Colorado elk sausage patties, folks. Man, look at that. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a platter of goodness right here. And next we'll go in with the home fries. Oh. Let me turn one of these burners off here and balance my platter. Next we're gonna go in with the eggs. We'll grab those two unsightly eggs first, right? Just kind of an over easy, over well done. I don't know what you'd call those things. And these are our sunny side up eggs here, which are perfect, like perfect in every way. Look at those. Yeah, that one's got a little bit of yolk hanging off of it. Put our toast over here, something like this. Angus bacon, which, man, friends, look at this. Look at this. Come on, come on. Take a look at that. I think you already know how to eat this, but tell you what, ketchup sure helps. Hey, and for what it's worth, a mom and pop company, I know nothing about them. I found these guys years ago. My buddy Kevin was traveling in the upper Midwest. Steve's onion and garlic sauce. This wasn't a gift from Steve's. They don't have a clue who I am. My in-laws actually bought me a case of this for Christmas because I love it so much. Folks, if you're looking for a really good, mild hot sauce, it's not a Mexican hot sauce, it's not like a Southeast Asian hot sauce, just a really good, mild American hot sauce. Oh yeah, I definitely recommend the Steve's. We're freezing out here, it's only 10 degrees. I need to get this breakfast in the house to the rest of the family. Make sure you're watching all of my friends' shows. CJ, Desiree, and Nate, they have weekly shows. Destination Delicious, weekly show, and our friend Bruce Mitchell, the Alligator Man, he's on the Bayou, a weekly show. Check us out at blackstoneproducts.com. And until next time, this is Todd. Praise the Lord and pass the breakfast.